Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Diamond, and today we are going to do a small experiment where we just play with my sister. We tell her what to say, what we need her to say in patois, in creole, and she's gonna say that. Okay? Yes, we have Marlon here in the heart of nature. Mommy's right there, Tutu is right here, sister is over there. So, bienvenue tout le monde. C'est Tifou Diamond avec Jordia. Nous allons jouer un bel petit jouet. Nous allons dire c'est moi ça pour dire en anglais et qui va dire un patois. D'accord? It's gonna be fun. Yes. So we're gonna start with Valencia. Valencia. So I need you to tell the people I am enjoying this water. I am enjoying this water. So she's gonna say, I am enjoying this water. And here's what, my mom is right there, so she's gonna correct her. She's gonna say what my sister should have said. Okay? Right here. So here's Valencia here, and she's gonna tell y'all how do we say I am enjoying this water in Creole. Uh-oh, my camera get wet. Okay, it's a bit gloomy because it's wet. Yeah. But yeah, go ahead. Valencia is going to say how I'm enjoying this water in Creole. She is kind of right. Not entirely right. She's saying she's loving this water. But I wanted her to say, I am enjoying the water. Now, enjoying word is a bit tricky. I don't even know if I don't even know how how to say it, but she's kind of right. When she said "Mwekotan glosala," she's right. She's loving the water. Yes. So guys, and the next thing I'm going to say, because I know we've been out in nature for a while, for a few hours now, so we are hungry. So I'm going to tell her to say I am hungry in Creole, so you will hear her. Yes, she's right again. Ding dong. Okay, so what can I say? Give me a sentence. Give me a sentence to say. Something to say in English. This is patois. I've been out for a while. We have been out for a while, so we can say I am tired. So what she's supposed to say in Creole, I am tired. That's right. That's right, people. There you go. There you have it. Anyway, we're gonna give you some more of the clips of this place. It's beautiful. I have my water here. Don't mind the label. I should have removed the label, but this water is from this fall. Yeah, so it's pretty much untreated water, fresh water from nature, crystallized, how you call it. Yeah, you know the vibe. Anyway, so guys, we're about to leave this place and go back down. My tutu is already so cold. Poor child. Yes, so we're gonna go back down. So see you all in a bit.